I sprayed my zoysia grass on Saturday. Today is Friday, so it's been about 1 week. Did not harm the grass one bit. This is actually a yard that has been here for 1.5 years, and then this is just freshly sodded. I wish I would have taken a before picture. You can see there's still some broadleafs. Those were not there a week ago. So anything that you see that's not shriveling up and dying like this just wasn't even there. So that's new. I'll have to do a second coat on that. But if you look at my yard, this entire area had quite a bit. Let's see if we can get over here and find the remains. Okay, yeah, so look, this stuff is working. I would say I started seeing it working even just in a few days, but it's been 6 going on 7 right now. But all these, I'm not sure you can see it, but all these little dead things, these are all where they were, and it was just taken over, and now that's dying. So look at all this. So this stuff works, and it's healthier for the dogs and for the kids. I just went through the whole yard. I mean, there was a lot of it. And now I don't think I maybe have to pick it up and pick it out. I do need to come and get these wispy grass things out. But I mean, it was just all over sporadically on the yard. I don't see anything that survived. That said though, like I said, there are new growth. So I gotta go respray. So I think 2 sprays, maybe 3, and you're good to go. They have this in a lawn, like you do the whole lawn, like the water, I think it's called weed and feed. And then the other one is a dandelion doom, if you can find it, then you can actually just go spot treat them as well. They both work really good. All right, hope that helps.